Okay, guys, I'm back again live for another impromptu video, and this time I'm doing just a quick, light, natural makeup for my passport photo renewal. I'm taking my photos myself, so I need to do my makeup quick because I'm using natural light before the light fades. So I just thought, well, let me do a video in case somebody else needs to do the same thing. So let's see. Yeah, I'm going to keep it simple. For your passport photos, you need to look like you know, you can't wear glasses, you can't wear a lot of jewelry. So basically I'm just going to try and make myself look like the best version of myself, you know, when I'm walking through the airport. So just put on some moisturizer and foundation mixed together. I'm using my L'Oreal Match Neutral Cappuccino and my Pacifica Crystal Youth Gem Infused Face Lotion, which I love because it smells like watermelon. So I just, you know, you can mix it with the foundation or put your lotion on first and then some foundation and just, I'm rubbing it on. And then I'm going to lightly powder my face with just whatever residues left on my kabuki brush from my matching L'Oreal True Match powder in the same shade because you don't want a shiny forehead. And let's see, I'm going to do a little bit of brows because I don't have any. Let's see, I think I'm just going to use some cheap mascara. This is Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara. And you know, before they had all these brow tools, gels, whatever, I would just use mascara wand, wipe off the excess, you know, in a shade that matches your brows. Like this is like a black brown. And then, yeah, just lightly. And then like the little brushes, it looks like hairs, see? It's pretty good. So I just brush in the direction my hair is growing. And line it up the corner of my eye. And then the outer corner where your eye ends. That's long enough. So that one's a little bit heavier, so higher. So let me go in again. I'm streaming live, so that's cute.
Is anyone actually watching?
I don't know, but if they do a replay, they will see you. So
Nobody's watching.
not right now, but I'm putting the replay up, so they will be watching. That's my darling daughter.
Yeah, no, I'm more bitch. Thank you very much.
Okay, scram.
No.
Neptune's like, why are you bringing me in this? I don't want to be in this. Okay. I better stop doing that before Peter calls me. Okay, and okay, so now I got my eyebrows down. Then I'm just gonna do like a. Where's my liner? Did you take my eyeliner again, Zoe?
Oh, did you get it out of the bedroom?
No. Well, it was just here a minute ago. All right. So until I find my liner, okay, let's see. Let's go on to my lips. I'm just going to. Oh, that's real cute.
It's on the floor now.
Oh, so you did have it. That's what I thought.
Remember I used it earlier.
All right, scram. All right, so I'm gonna put on a little bit of waterproof liner because that's just my signature. God, what does she do to this? I can't even open it. Okay. A little bit of liner here. Did you steal the mirror again too? Okay. Because I just had that. All right, so I'm just going to do a little bit of liner. Modified cat eye. I'm a big fan of the cat eye. That's my signature look, but I'm underdoing it this time. Not going for the whole Amy Winehouse thing like I usually do. All right. Yeah, let's see. Then I'm just gonna go under my eyes with a little bit of black brown powder. Oh, don't get it in your eye. This is hard because I don't have a mirror. I'm trying to just do it with the video monitor, which is awkward. It's all in my eye. All right, and then just a little bit brown shadow in my crease line. For a little bit of depth. Okay, and I'm put some mascara on my actual lashes. So I'll get that Mega Wear again, and unfortunately I don't have time to put any falsies on, which I need because I have short, stubby lashes. But this is better than nothing. I hate when I do that. So if you smear any, of course, clean it off ASAP before it sets. And I'm not going to even bother with the bottom lashes. And then, let's see, lip gloss, do a little baby lips. Let me see, where's my pencil? Brown pencil on my lips. Outline. Well, this pencil sucks. Not the one I thought I had. This as well, I don't want it too over pronounced. Some lip gloss. And let's see, a teeny bit of highlighter. Try and get it straight and blend the heck out of it. And then some more powder. Looks pretty good, this lip pencil though. leave something to desire. Here, let me try some of this gloss. It's got some red on it. Yeah, that's a little bit better to set off my red shirt. And then, God, this is a dark brown pencil, but yeah, it's not going on good, and I can't find my sharpener. Needs sharpening, I guess. Just gonna try and go over it as best as I can. Alrighty, so make sure I'm not shiny so you don't want any hot spots, because if you have hot spots, they'll get rejected. Alright, so there we go. I think I'm ready to go. I'm not going to put any earrings on like I usually would, because, you know, just keep it simple as possible so you don't get your thing rejected. Alright, so there we go. And I'm going to take my passport photos. I'll probably do a video on how I am doing that. So, yeah. Thanks for getting ready with me, and see you next time. Bye.